it's Gordon! Wiggle, 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 wiggle. And this is your fault! This is all your fault, Ramsey! Ramsey, once I fucking find you! Let's go to cooking school, right? Why not? I don't know how to cook. I'm like a baby. If you hand me a knife, I'm gonna cut myself on accident. Alright, let's get in this bitch. Grab a knife, cut 4 slices of bread, and then put them on a plate. Well, that should be simple, right? What if I just... Imagine? Alright, this is gotta be easy, right? It is not even at all. But you know what? It is what it is, bro. Chef Boyardee. There we go, dude. It's a nice dinner back in the USSR days. That shit fed a whole community back in that day. Open the fridge and put on one salmon. What am I supposed to? Potato and onion. That's not a is that a potato? Which one's a potato? There they are. I found the potatoes. Onion! No, is that garlic? That's garlic.
Hey pal, you just blowing from Stupid Town?
Open the fridge, put 1 salami. Where's the fridge? Oh, it's a thick fridge! Press X to crouch, press it twice to tiptoe? Oh, bro, I could finally be 5'9". That's fucking crazy. Right, so which one is salmon? I'm assuming... Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Put it on the piece of plate. I did. Oh, oops, wait. Did I just infect the food? You mean this plate? Wait, is this not a salmon? Oh, this is not salmon. This is tilapia? Wait, is this actually not salmon? Wait, is this a salmon? Which one's a fucking salmon? That's tuna. Am I dumb? What is salmon? Oh, is this salmon? Oh, this is salmon. Oh, is this salmon? That fucking shit out of here. Oh, that was salmon. I thought that was tuna. Dude, this is some next gen shit right here. Playing VR on a PC while looking at a PC. Why? Oh, we got a pot. Does it make a noise? Oh, it does make noise. Can I bend it? Yo, what's a sparking over there in the corner? What sparking are we talking about? I didn't touch that yet, so that was not me. Repairing kitchen can be damaged or destroyed during the game. You can fix it by using a phone. I'm not a fixer-upper type of guy, but I'm pretty sure a phone can't fix this. Season the pork shoulder, which I think is this. Well, how much do I need? 15? Oh no, I fucked it! What kind of drug is this, Chad? This looks like marijuana. How do you smoke the devil's lettuce? You gotta eat it, right? I'm pretty. That is not. I think I'm high. Let's use that on the seasoned trout. How much do I need to pour? 5 grams? Fucking. Oh no! And now I need thyme. Is this thyme? I think thyme is this, right? It is thyme. 3 grams of it. Then 1 more, right? Okay. Oh, these cilantro leaves. Oh. Oh no! Stop. 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 Thank you. What's pissing right now? You gotta stop pissing, dog. Pissing me off. That's what you're pissing. Dude, wait, can I actually turn to the radio? Career mode. This is what I'm looking for. Hi, I'm the manager of this place. Since it's your first day, I'll show you the ropes. Go find a tablet, grab and buy a blender and utensils. Blender. Buy. Oh. Dude, it's like a milk carton back in the day. Y'all remember that? Or like the apple juice cartons and stuff? Oh. Okay, I don't want to break you. You need to be put down gently. I've asked a friend of mine to guide you through the process. Yo, it's Gordon! Season it with black. Okay, we can take the trout. We can do that. Put it into the oven. Note you can use many trays at the same time. Okay. Put it into the oven. Right. Oven. Found it. Come here, Bartholomew. Your time is up. All right. Put it in the upper oven. Well, I did. Was that not the up? Oh, that's an oven! Well, what is this? Is this not an oven? Okay, put it in the top one. All right, use the top valve to turn on the oven. On. Oh. What happens if I open it? Oh, it just shuts off? Can I burn the place down? We need a lemon, buy one. Cutting board? Do I need to wash it off? No, actually, we'll just mix it in. Look how even they are. All right, buy a plate. I can do that. Snag me a plate. Can I break the plate? Oh. Well, I really shouldn't have done that now if you think.
Don't you have to be stupid somewhere else?
Not until 4.
Open the. There we go. Hot, 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 hot. Dude, it's 2:22 on 2-2 on a 2-2 and a 2-2, and I got 2 hours of sleep. Pog champ. Now pick up the lemon quarters and put them on the plate. Yeah, I can do that. You know, actually, I probably should have just brought the plate over here, huh? Put parsley leaves, fresh ×3 on the plate. Do I need to buy some? Oh, I need to buy some. Why did I black out? Okay. Why am I blacking out? What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Is it, what is... Good, the dish is done. Now you need to serve it. Put it on the checkout shelf. Alright, yeah, I can do that. Boop. Baked trout. Oh, 4-star! Oh, fuck yeah, chat! Damn, I made 18 cents. Off, that's profit, baby. I'm not even worried. Here we go. Let's do this. Make the best restaurant in the city. I'm the best chef in the city. Tomato soup? Alright, bet. Okay, pour 700 milliliters of chicken broth. Shit is going down. In a what? 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 You can tilt the cart in the haste process we want. You're going in here, bro. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. How much? I wasn't paying attention. 700? Alright, we can do that. Done. Oh, my fucking broth! Fuck! I need to buy more! Where's the tablet? Where's the tablet, chat? I need more chicken broth. Okay. Is that 700? Yeah, that's about 700. Alright, and then I need to pour what? Look up recipes for active order on any display. How the fuck do I know? Oh, there we go. I need 12 grams of salt. Salt, 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 salt. I need salt. I need my salt. Is that salt? Where's my salt? There's the salt.
Down here, salt is a way of life.
12 grams of black pepper? I mean, if you insist. I need powder. Cayenne pepper powder? What the fuck is that? What is pepper powder? Is this pepper powder? Oh, this has got to be it. Oh, it's fine. Okay, okay. Take the pot to the pantry, buy 8 tomatoes onto it, and buy... What the fuck? 8. Okay. Final touch, we need an onion. Who puts onion in their fucking tomato soup? Boil it for 60 seconds? Yeah, that's fine. We can do that. Can I turn it? How do I want to turn it. Why are you being so difficult? I don't need it. I can count.
15 times 4. $600. Is it not 600? Ah, 60.
Turn off the heat, blend the contents into the pot. Okay, I can do that with the blender, right? So we grab you, turn this bitch on. Blended. Sour cream. Okay, we can do that. Okay. How much was it? 150 milliliters. Nice. What is leaking? What is leaking still? Stop. Stop. Pissing me off. Okay, cool, great, we got it. All right, take the deep plate, place it on the counter. The deep? What is a deep plate? Is this a deep plate? This is a fucking pot. What's a deep plate? Oh, son of a bitch. I didn't like that one. That was dirty. All right, take the pot and aim it at the bowl. Where's the pot? Wait, where'd my pot go? There it is. I'm aiming it at the bowl. Aim it at the pole. What does that mean? What is that? Gordon, what the fuck do you mean by that? Okay, this is the deep plate, so we just pour it in, right? Alright, we're done. That was close, chat. What do you mean we're not done? What happened to my shit? Where did my tomato soup go? Serve hot. What does that mean? Is there a microwave to put it in? Do I put it in here, Ramsey? Oh, now I spit it all fucking out. No, I don't got no goddamn more tomato soup, Ramsey. And this is your fault. This is all your fault, Ramsey. Ramsey, once I fucking find you, you're gonna be the end of it. You're gonna be the end. It's... God damn it. I couldn't make tomato soup, chat. Man, you know what? Fuck this company. Fuck this stupid company. I quit. I quit. No more. I'm done. Fuck. done! Get this shit out of here! Can I break the glass? Damn it! I can't throw that in the trash. What about this? Fuck you, Gordon. Why does nothing want to go in the trash? What is this? Can I unplug it? I want to smash something. You deserve nothing. You deserve nothing in life. You know what? Yeah, screw your water bill. Yeah, I hope you like that. I hope you like that. You like this? Well, guess what? I bet you don't like it anymore because you know why? It's in the trash. Yeah! I quit. I quit. Let me get out. I quit. I'm walking away from this place. I'm done. Well, we tried to be a cook, and it didn't work. Until next time.
Hey, let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm winning and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! She really wanna pop me. Go! Just know that you will never flop me. And